One of PlanetTogether's core functions is its Optimize feature. This allows the scheduler to select different aspects of how to arrange the production schedule. To find where the optimization settings are created and edited, click Settings, then click Scenario Data, then click Optimize Rules. Multiple optimization rules can be set up and applied to different work centers. Double-click an existing rule to see the different weighting structures that are applied. I can see for this rule, need date, that I have my earliest job need date set as my highest weighting. To adjust weighting, I can use my slide bar and move my weighting up and down. To save my changes, I will save and close. To add a new rule, I click New, double-click to open, create a name, locate any of the weightings that I want to apply to my new rule. You can also add custom weights under Operation Attributes. Save and close, exit back to my main PlanetTogether out of my settings, and here I can double-click my work center and under Optimization, apply my different optimization rules. Now, when I run my optimize, it will resort my schedule appropriately.